Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. With summer just around the corner, the yard work is piling up, and I wanted a great pair of headphones that would protect my ears from all of the various loud noises that yard work brings. I also wanted something that was comfortable and that I could Bluetooth my tunes while I work. Well, I have found all of that and more in these Bluetooth hearing protection headphones from PROHEAR. These headphones are made from a very comfortable squishy foam material, and they fit snugly on my head despite all of the chores that I'm doing. They are comfortable enough for me to wear for an extended period of time, and I like that even if I'm doing work that has a lot of moving my head around, I don't have to stop what I'm doing and adjust them. They stay put. The sound quality is wonderful. It blocks out the loud noises from around you and lets you listen to your music with clarity. I also like that it has buttons on the side and you can adjust your volume, flip through songs, listen to AM and FM radio, and answer any incoming calls. I love that the charge lasts a good long time, and if I just want to block out all of the noise that my husband is making while he's fixing the deck, these work like a charm, and I am able to read my book in the summer sun in peace. I think you're going to love these as much as I do, and that's my point of view.